So sitting here, I have this kind of old map of the world. Well, different kind of maps of the world. And I want to talk about regions. So I'm going to kind of try to zoom in here. So this is a really old, rough sketch of North America. And South America, excuse me. So South America is here, and North America being up here. And I guess this is so old that they didn't really know what was kind of on this side of things here. So the whole point of regions is to divide and organize our world. So right here I've already said two different things. I've said North America and South America. We know that this area here is the region of South America, and this area here is the region of North America. And that just, again, it helps us divide our world. They're two different continents. So we can also talk about political regions, and there are a whole bunch of different countries within these continents. Now, at this point when the map was made, there were actually, like, the countries weren't made yet, for the most part it looks like, but we know that in this area there is the United States of America now, and then there's Canada up here. It's divided by a border between them. And then we got Mexico, and we got things like Brazil, and we got all these countries that are in the Caribbean. So again, regions, they help us divide and organize our world. I've already just talked about a political one. You can also talk about regions that you have in your house, regions of the bedroom or the kitchen. The kitchen region probably ends with a floor that going into the next room. And again, these are just ways that we help us organize our world and our life. In Canada, we talk about the physical regions, the areas of Canada that look different but are still a part of Canada. So we have things like the Canadian Shield and the Western Cordilleran and the Interior Plains and the Appalachian region. And again, all these things are talking about the way the land looks, and that's the way we divided up Canada, because it looks different. So another thing to think about in geography, lots to think about, but this one is the theme of regions.